What's up YouTube? It's me again. It's coming back to the town with a brand new video. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's go. We're doing an oil change today for my Volkswagen bus. And I'm like, I have a YouTube channel, but I don't have any videos on how to do oil change on a Volkswagen air-cooled engine. So what the heck? Let's do it. So you can do this in any Volkswagen air-cooled engine, all the same procedure. So since my bus is high, if you have a bug and the car is a little bit lower, you might want to drive it on top of a ramp. But a bus, stock height bus, you don't need nothing, you're just ready to change your oil. And I believe even square back or maybe a bug that has not been lowered, you could replace your oil change without lifting the car up. So step number one, drain the oil. So here's the back of the car. So to the bottom of the engine, and you're draining your plug is right here. Is this one, and I found as in my case, my bolt size is actually a metric. I mean standard, sorry, and it's 13/16. Sorry, my camera zooming is awful, but it's size 13/16. And the light is really poor here. And go ahead and open it, and your oil drain. Come on. And don't forget to put the oil tray, and just get dirty. And there's also like a washer or something here for but mine is stuck, so whoop. Yeah, my bus need oil change so bad. So and then we open these, and they are 10mm, and you can break them loose. And I like to crossing when I open them, so just take this one to distribute the torque. Put them little by little, and do the same thing when you tie them up. Okay, and take all these bolts out, and then you take off the cap and you take off the strainer, and remove the strainer. It's kind of stuck, so it can be difficult to open, but try wiggle it and move it. There we go. There is. I'm gonna clean it in a minute. Some old seal here. Gotta take it out and replace it with a new one. And these little bolts, the 10mm, have washers, and I think half of them fall in the oil, and the washer for the draining plug also fall into the oil. So I'm gonna spend some good time fishing them out. Wish you guys good luck. So here's the oil draining cap and the strainer. I just cleaned it with mineral spirit and I dried it. It's good to see how it looks, because if it clogged with gunks, you need to clear the little holes here so the oil will run freely. And I would replace it, but I don't have one with me at the moment right now, so I'm gonna leave it for now. But next oil change, I'm gonna put a brand new one. And also this part, if you notice, has a seal here. There's a seal that goes here, this one goes on top, but also there's another seal that goes on top of this. So you get a seal that goes here, a seal that goes here, So this is the the cap. I'm going from down up. This is the cap. When you look from the bottom of the engine, this is the cap, and there's a seal, and this part goes here, and there's a seal on top of it. Then you just put your little nuts with washer and these all around, and then your draining plug with the washer, and you're done at this point. And you just fill up your engine with oil, and that's it. When you pour the old oil into the recycle can, pour it slowly, and the stuff that fall in the oil will sink the bottom, and you can just find it and pick it up. You don't need to stick your hand in a bath of oil. Just pour it slowly till the oil level goes down, and then you can just pick it up. And this way you don't have to get super dirty compared to trying to fish it out with your hand before you're pouring it out. Also, you could, some of the funnels have like a strainer. This one doesn't, fortunately, but the one with the strainer are good as well. So you can just pour the oil, and if you have washer that fall into your oil bath, it'll catch it, and you can just pick it up. Here's a package of my oil seal, just like a piece of paper really, and it comes in pair of two. So come on, my camera, zoom good. Adjust the zoom. Okay, here it is. You have two of these, and one goes on the tray, and the other one goes to the what we call strainer or filter, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm gonna have to stop filming because I have to use my both hand to put things back on, but I explained it earlier how the seals goes, right? And you guys got it, I hope. So you put one here, and you put this into the car, and you put another one here, and then you close this. But as you can see, I still have the old seal here. I'm gonna peel it off with a razor or something to clean it very good, and then put this on there. Okay. Also, before you put this under the car, you can also do this. You don't have to, but you can put this back on the draining plug. You can put it now outside the car, and then you put this there and mount these bolts. Or you can mount this bolt first and then put the draining plug afterward, up to you. But I'm just gonna put it by hand, and then later I'll torque it with my wrench. But for now, yeah, just put it there and then put it in the car. Also, I'm gonna skip the seal replacement because the seal doesn't look too bad, and I'm running out of time. It's almost night time, so I'm gonna skip this seal for now. But yeah, I was supposed to do this, but I don't have time to peel off the seal with the razor and clean off, because I think someone put like a silicone or something on this one because it was really hard to take out. So